Hello friends, welcome to this current affairs session and here we will discuss some 8 to 10 questions along with some information, the additional information I am talking about and try to remember maximum inputs from this session. These are the questions which are very important for your upcoming mains examination. So moving to the first question here. Question number 1 here on your screen. Who has become the Chief Technology Officer of Pax8? And the answer is option B, Scott Chazin. Pax8, the best place for IT professionals to buy cloud products, today announced it has named Scott Chazin as Chief Technology Officer, and in his role, Chazin will oversee the expensive team of engineers, manage the research and development initiatives, and intellectual property for the company. Pax8 headquarters is in Colorado, USA, and John Street is the CEO. Aditya Birla Fashion peaks of what percent in Masaba level? And this is 51%. Just remember this percentage here. This is 51%. In yet another sign of consolidation within India's fashion industry, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited said that it is set to acquire 51% in the House of Masaba Lifestyle Private Limited, the entity that houses apparel, non-apparel, beauty and personal care accessories business under the brand Masaba, owned by designer Masaba Gupta, for 90 crore rupees. And what's the percentage that's to be picked up in Masaba level by Aditya Birla Fashion? That is 51%. And Aditya Birla Fashion headquarters is in Mumbai. Mr. Ashish Dixit is the CEO. What amount invested by Hero MotoCorp in EV startup Arthur Energy? And the investment amount, that is 420 crore rupees. Hero MotoCorp is investing rupees 420 crore rupees in electric scooter maker Arthur Energy at a time when India's largest two-wheeler maker is readying its own product for the local electric vehicles market. And prior to the proposed investment, the company's shareholding in Arthur Energy stood at almost 35%. After the investment, the shareholding will increase and exact shareholding will be determined upon the completion of the capital raising round by the Arthur Hero MotoCorp. And Hero MotoCorp headquarters is in New Delhi, and Pawan Munjal is the CEO. Pawan Munjal is the CEO of Hero MotoCorp, and New Delhi is the headquarters. Right. What amount invested by UAE in Israel's tech sector? Right? And the answer is option B, $100 million. A major United Arab Emirates sovereign wealth fund has invested roughly $100 million in venture capital funds in Israel's technology sector, according to people familiar with the investment. A fresh sign of deepening business investment ties between the countries at the forefront of Abraham Accords. And two countries, the static fact here, UAE, capital Abu Dhabi, currency is dirham, and for Israel, Jerusalem is the capital, currency is new shekel, and Naftali Bennett is the Prime Minister of Israel. National Startup Day is observed on, and date is 16 January. 16 January, National Startup Day. India is going to celebrate 16 January as the National Startup Day, the Prime Minister said on Saturday. To make the culture and the startups of reach to far-flung parts of the country, it has been decided to celebrate 16 January as the National Startup Day, Prime Minister said while addressing the startups across the country. India will become economic powerhouse by which year? Right? And the answer is 2047. Indian Minister of State Independent Charge Dr. Jitendra Singh on Saturday said that when India turns 100 in the year 2047, it would evolve beyond imagination. As the things have been moving so fast, in the next 25 years, the country will be world's technological and economic powerhouse. Chairing the first ever meeting of the sectoral experts to deliver the Vision India 2047 from the governance perspective, organized by Department of Administrative Reforms. What percent jump it shows in the third quarter performance in respect of HDFC Bank? And the answer is option B, 18%. HDFC Bank on Saturday reported a net profit of 10,342.2 crore in October-December quarter, registering an increase of 18% year-on-year as strong growth in the private lenders' net revenues boosted its bottom line. Net interest income for the quarter under review grew by 13% to rupees 18,443.5 crore rupees and up from 16,317.6 crore in a year ago. And so what's the answer here? That is 18% jump in the third quarter performance in respect of HDFC Bank. And some static fact, that is 1994 is the establishment year, Mumbai is the headquarter, and Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan is the CEO of HDFC Bank. Moving to next. How many Indian startups has been honored with National Startup Award 2021? We have already discussed the National Startup Day, that is on 16 January. Right? And now the question is, how many Indian startups has been honored with National Startup Award 2021? And that is 46. The Government of India announced that the winners of National Startup Awards 2021, 46 startups were facilitated for their contribution in their respective sector. An incubator and an accelerator were also conferred the honor during the ceremony. The ministry received 2177 applications from the startups across 49 subsectors. Applications were also received from the 53 incubators, 6 accelerators for the ecosystem enablers categories. Of this, 863 were women-led startups, 253 were from working startups in rural areas of the country. And out of all this, 46 startups has been honored with National Startup Award 2021. Right? So I hope you understood all the discussions here. So that is all for now. And please rewatch this session for better understanding, for your better self, you understand this kind of news for longer period of time. The revision is very much important. So that is all for now, and good day.